One exchanges his bad qualities, he receives good qualities that reflect the sifat of Allah instead. What a wonderful exchange. What a wonderful transaction. That when you exchange the bad, for example, I have hasad, jealousy, is exchanged with love. Hatred, exchanged with love. Other evil qualities, when I leave, what I do get in return is the good quality which reflect the names and attribute the quality of Allah. So is that a lossful exchange? Is it harm in there that evil is taken out? Like when you go to the doctor or dentist, he takes out the bacteria and actually gives you a clean teeth. They detoxify your body. There's cancerous cell in the body. They take that cancer away and put good cells or replace with good therapy. Is that loss? Is that actually any kind of burden, or you are happy actually for that they give me? People pay money and funds actually for that.